Nice, cool.
Okay.
And we're just waiting on the clear.
All right.
It's so funny with the GoPros. Most of the beginning of the videos are just guides like, is this thing on? Woo. Yeah, oh, I forgot to tell y'all. A cool phenomenon happens on this one called spatial disorientation. It's just like when you're on an airplane, you're going 500 miles per hour, but it feels like you're not moving because your mind has nothing to reference the speed off. Same thing, you'll be zipping, and trees are going to be all around you, so it's going to be fast, 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 and then everything drops away. And it almost feels like you're not moving, but I promise you're going like 65 miles per hour. So
fantastic.
you're going to be good. But we just like to warn y'all because it's kind of like, whoa.
Alex, Brickstar says you are all clear to zip on line 2.
Good copy, zipping line 2.
Zip on.
Oh, and Brinkley, you got a solo zipper coming down, zipper's right.
Good copy. Send it in.
All right, my friend, you are all set up.
All right. See you down there.
Have a blast.
Fantastic.
How was it?
It was fantastic. That was exceptional.
There you go.
Out from under it.
Yeah. Alright, so I'll take this now. Alright, enjoy your adventure.
All right. So this is out of the way. All right. Just start whenever I'm ready, right?
Whenever you're ready.
All right. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Thanks. Woohoo! That was fabulous.
Awesome.
That was fabulous.
Guess what? That was only about 35 miles an hour. The next one, you're going to be hitting about 60.
I think that's fabulous.
I bet that leather keeps you warm, too.
It does.
Alrighty. There you go, my dear.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah. Oh, you do? Oh,
We'll
okay.
do it in the RTB for you.
Oh, wonderful.
Let's wait while you're walking.
Yes.
Alright, whenever you're ready.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
That was fabulous. The best run yet.